Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am wearing Rachel by Jon Renau, and I now understand the hype about Rachel. She is fabulous. She is gorgeous. She is a full mono top, fully hand-tied cap, super comfortable, fits my bald head like a dream. I mean, I was kind of nervous about the cap because when I had the Jon Renau Carly, that was the first wig I ever got, that cap was too big. I could literally pull the cap down and it would cover my ears, and I had to take it to a wig shop and get it altered. And so I was a little concerned, but this fully hand-tied cap fits me great. And this wig, I did a little Instagram story when I first got her, and I was just like, mind blown. She's so pretty. But she's gorgeous. She lives up to her hype. She is absolutely beautiful. So the color on this particular Rachel is HRH14, and they describe that as a medium brown with 33% natural blonde highlights. So the highlights are placed really nicely. They're not super chunky, but you can definitely see those highlights. It's interesting because the highlights show up better in this one than they do in my L wig, which is the same color, but I can really see the highlights. I guess these shorter pieces, and they added these highlights up front. They did a great job. It looks extremely natural, really, really pretty color. So I got a hair in my mouth. So really pretty. I'll do a turn. I'm gonna have to be going back and forth because she's so long. But I'll do a turn so you can see her from all sides. So beautiful front, wavy. Oh, she's luscious. My right side, the back. She's not quite to bra strap. She's about middle of the upper back. Left side, and back to the front. So I'm in love with this wig. It's fabulous, it's gorgeous. I don't know where she's been all my life. I was gonna get a human hair wig. I was dying to get a human hair wig, and then I got the Rachel. Now I'm like, no thanks, I don't think I need a human hair wig now. So really, really gorgeous style. So let me go over her measurements with you. Her front part right here is 7 inches, so it's just a pretty sweeping bang. And then she is 15 inches from the crown down. The sides are 15 inches, and the nape back here is a 10-inch nape. So quite a bit of length on her. Really pretty. The wave pattern is just gorgeous. I mean, that's just the wave we're all trying to get with that, curling iron and trying to achieve this look, and voila, here's the look you're trying to achieve. That's how I feel about her. So obviously with her length and with her fully hand-tied cap, the possibilities are endless as far as styles. She can be styled all kinds of ways. I wore her the other day with just these top layers pulled back, and I love her like this. I just think she looks gorgeous. So just those top layers pulled back, really, really pretty. Very feminine. But for summertime, or if you need to get the hair, away from your face, great, easy way to style her. She can be done, you could do all kinds of gorgeous updos. You can get a really good ponytail because you're not gonna see any wefts anywhere because she is fully hand-tied. So no wefting, you don't have to worry about any wefting showing, but really, really pretty ponytail abilities with her. So she is just gorgeous. I mean, if you're looking for a long style and you want to make an investment in a fully hand-tied wig, she's a fabulous piece. She's gorgeous. So let me pop her off and I'll show you the inside of the cap. So fully hand-tied means that all this hair is tied into the cap by hand. So full mono top, ear tab to ear tab, lace front, no permatease because it's just all hair, fully hand-tied cap, so no wefting. She's got an extended nape that is the felt material. She's got Velcro closures. I did have to adjust her a little bit around the edge, but it didn't create bulk or anything like that. She's got the felt soft ear tabs with a good substantial piece of metal, that long. I mean, that's a good piece of metal in there for a stay for an ear tab. So just gorgeous. So since she's a full mono top, you can also part her, you know, however you want. You could middle part her if you want to. I've played around with the part a lot just to see kind of what she would do, and the waves just fall beautifully no matter where you put the part. I mean, it's just awesome. If you're a right side parter, part her from the right, you know, just wherever. She gives that appearance of scalp, you know, underneath with that full mono top. So very natural looking, you know, wherever you want to part her. She is just, she's absolutely gorgeous. I can't recommend her enough. If you're looking for a long, wavy wig, this is your girl. Her ear tabs are great. They, like I said, those metal stays are really long, so they hold that hair close to your face there. You know, cap fits me really, really well. It's not impinging on my ears. You know, it's just right in the right place. So really pretty. I gotta put her back the way I had her. I'm just so used to myself with the left side part. But as you can see, I mean, she is fun hair to play with. So I can't recommend her enough. She's a gorgeous wig. She would be beautiful for prom hair, for wedding hair, special occasion, gala hair, whatever. But she's also great for just your everyday hair. You can pull her up, you can put her down. The other day I put her in like a side pony, and she's just so pretty and feminine. Oh, my husband loves this hair too, so it's been very popular with him as well. So anyway, this has been Jon Renau Rachel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and I'll keep on making more videos. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.